What if a bot traded perpetuals for you, crypto and stocks, 24/7, with your rules instead of your emotions? Meet ArcusBot, an automated trading platform built on Arcus, the new exchange from dYdX Labs on Robinhood chain. Everything is set up in about a minute. Sign in with Google, and a dedicated trading wallet is created and registered for you automatically. Its keys are shown to you exactly once, then stored encrypted. One click funds the account with $10,000 of Testnet collateral. No faucets, no bridges, no gas hunting. Then pick your risk: low, balanced, or high, or fine-tune leverage, stop loss, and take profit yourself. Changes hot apply to the running bot in about 30 seconds. Trade any of 41 markets: Bitcoin and Ethereum, stocks like Apple and Nvidia, commodities and indices, each category one tap away. Hit start. A multi-signal strategy scans 15-minute candles, opens positions with automatic stop loss, and take profit, and reports every move straight to your Telegram. It is free, it runs on Testnet money, and it is open source. Try it now at a tradebot.xyz, link in the description.